Hey guys, Joe at Access Auto. We have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. This is a fully loaded one. Doesn't have leather, but it's got everything else. Hard top, alloy rims, 18-inch alloy rims. It's got windows, locks, cruise, tilt. It's got all the gear. It's black in color, as you can see. Very, very good condition. This particular unit, we're going to put 5 brand new tires on it for you. All seasons ATs, which will be awesome. We've already done rear brakes and calipers on the car. We've already done the oil change, the services, the front exhaust system we replaced. We didn't like the way it looked, so it needed replacing. It's a 3.8 liter motor in this. This truck is in very, very good condition. It's fully serviced, ready to roll. It's $15,995, but we've discounted it to $14,995. AccessAuto2.com or 489-1100. Give us a call, come down and see this Jeep. I'm going to give you a little view of the interior. Gray interior, not that light tan. There's the rear seats, real clean. The interior, door panels not all scratched up. Driver's seat, passenger seat. Truck has 121/164 on it. Of course, it's got that standard stereo with the Bluetooth system, heating. It is an automatic, so anybody can drive it. Nobody's restricted. It also has the Freedom tops with it, with the hard top. Guys, this truck is in good condition, and it's under 15 grand. It's hard to find a Wrangler under 15 grand out there. That's an unlimited. 07 to 12, they haven't changed the body style, so you're still up with the times on this one. AccessAuto2.com or 489-1100. Come down and get yourself a Jeep for the summer.